Hey guys, it's Cassie. So, I hope all of you are having a great day. Pardon my cough and sore throat. um, I unfortunately am still recovering from my anesthesia procedure that I had yesterday. Um, so, um, I may not do any community, reaction videos for, um, a couple of days now. So, yeah. And, don't be scared or afraid if you guys see any, like, any, comments that have, like, star, coughing, star, star, farting, star. Is because that's how I actually am in real life because the anesthesia is wearing off. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on May 14th for new reaction videos that are pre-recorded on my phone. Well, not pre-recorded, just the lines are recorded. But the actual videos will be recorded on the laptop here. So yeah, bye.